Today's the day, guys. We're heading to Japan. So the flight's in like 1 hour, but my friend Brett is actually going to be meeting us here, and Gutu, Simon are heading to Japan a day after us, so we'll be meeting them technically at an extra day. Everyone's going to be meeting up in Tokyo for the first day, I think, and then yeah, we'll take it from there. Brett, are you ready, man? Almost time. Hey. Yo, guess who I just met? Luca, and actually a few other Vancouver friends are heading down to Tokyo Autosalon as well. And they're all on the same flight. I'm ready. Oh yeah, I'm ready.
It's filming already. Are you happy?
I'm gonna put it together.
Okay. Alright, we made it, but I think the fatigue's starting to hit us all. Like, I don't know if I'm just overly excited. I don't really feel like passing out, but I do. Yeah, we're here. Made it. Now we're gonna take the Narita Express to Shinjuku, and we're gonna be splitting ways with Mila, but we'll meet back up with her tomorrow. We're gonna find our Airbnb and just pass out, just relax and probably recuperate a little bit. If you want to eat something later, maybe we can eat. Yeah, okay. We'll go exploring.
Explore. Kid puked on the plane.
Explain.
I don't know if it was the food or what he had, but he just threw up, and then they threw coffee grounds on all the puke.
Oh,
that's disgusting.
just to mask the smell. That's disgusting, dude. He checked on all the people in front of him, or just like
the lady was sitting there with like like food tray.
Yeah.
Just holding it over his mouth.
What?
It's like puking.
Oh.
You see it like all on the ground.
Okay. Grody. Thank you.
The luggage definitely, so we can see.
Sure. Yeah, so it's not behind. Yeah.
This train will stop at the station for
Time to
Narita Airport
sleep.
Terminals 2
This train ride shouldn't
after
take too
leaving
long.
Tokyo Station.
I'm trying to look for the Airbnb right now. My phone died, so just trying to recharge it with what little battery left I have, and then I'll send the info to Brett so we can find this place. We're lost in Japan, guys. Okay, yo, here, I sent it to you. But there's a Family Mart right there. Okay, guys, we found the Airbnb. Should unlock. Yo, Brett got us in. We got it. Alright. Room 109, dude? Yeah, we're probably on the bottom floor. 105. 106. Okay. Going. We did it. Take off your shoes. Yes, you're right. Super tight, dude. We got this. There's the washing machine. Beautiful. That's the kitchen, that's the washroom. Awesome. What? Oh, slippers? Oh, sick, dude. Wabaki. We're here, guys. This is hella tight. We're gonna do a little bit of exploring before we actually pass out for the night and catch up with our rest. just so we don't go to bed hungry. Yo, what's up guys? So Simon and Gutu arrived in Japan, and I'm pretty sure they got picked up by Mikoa and Kino, and now they're all headed here so we can go for dinner. I'm gonna wait out front. Yo, what up, dude? What's up, brother? Yo, long time no see. For real. Jeez, man, it's like winter mode. Yo.
It's like a tiny alleyway. We totally missed it.
Yeah.
Like right there.
Yeah,
okay.
We're like a half street over.
Okay, sweet. Gutu, you're in Japan, brother.
Why is it so cold?
I know! It's warmer in Vancouver.
I know, right? It's warmer in Calgary right now.
We're amongst friends. Yo, Mikoa, what up? So, Canadians and Hawaiian, welcome to our homely abode. What? That's badass, dude. Damn! Hey, how are you, man? Happy New Year, Merry Christmas! Mr. Oz, man. Long time no see, man. Look who we found. Reunited with the Japanese friends. And look how much this has changed. Why are you throwing it in the garbage? There's no way. Simon's over here helping these people get out of this alleyway because the car was way too tight. So Simon's being a good Samaritan. That's like typical Japanese alleys though. Hey! Diamond, savior of the night! Alright, Kino, we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, thanks for chilling, man. Yeah, always good to see you, dude.
Alright.
Yeah, take care, man. Night. Peace, Simon. Thank you. Just decided to head back to Airbnb, as you can see. Just passing out now. Yo, peace, Brett.
Don't see me.
You're naked. Yo, we out, man. Gonna call it a night, and tomorrow's just another day in Japan for us to have fun. So, catch you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Peace.